Good morning, M4. In this video, I am going to explain to you your activities for today. We are still talking about adverbs. And for your first activity, we have this one, this on top. You will be needing a dictionary, or you can also use your phone and search in Google the meaning of the words. Okay, you will be doing that so that you will be dependent yourself and know how to look for the meaning of a word on your own. Okay, so for our first activity, we will be doing this, the one on top, the three. And for the instruction, it says discuss an appropriate adverb that could make each underlined verb more descriptive. And as we know, adverb describes verb, adjective, and another adverb. And in this activity, we will be describing, or the adverb will be describing the verb. And the verbs are the ones underlined, like opened, leapt, or leaped rather, gripped, wins. Okay, so these are the verb in the text. Okay, and you will be using adverbs here on top in the box. You will be selecting one adverb that will match the verb underlined. For example, this one we have Harry opened the cage door. Adverb, it says adverb here. It means you need to select what adverb is appropriate to describe open. So you need to select from the choices of adverbs on top here, right? So you will always check the underlined adverb, or rather the underlined verb. Harry opened the cage door. What do you think, which adverb best describes open? Okay, all right, so it also is the same. And the parrot blank adverb leaped. So this adverb will be describing leaped. Okay, so this adverb will be describing this verb. So and the parrot adverb leaped out and up into his shoulder. Man gripped Harry's shoulder adverb. So you have to again select an adverb from top of here, which adverb best describe the verb gripped. Okay, making him wince adverb. Again, you need to select the adverb on top of here, which best describe the verb wince. Mad then walked blank, or rather adverb. So again, select which best describe walk down Harry's arm before adverb stretching. Again, select an adverb on top that best describe stretching. Stretching out his wings and flying blank. Which adverb best describes flying? Now you will see that there are some new words for you. Maybe you will ask, Miss Maria, what's the meaning of leaped? Miss Maria, what's the meaning of wince? As what I told you, you will be needing your dictionary or your phone. You can use your phone to search what's the meaning of leaped or wince and any other words that you think you don't understand. You can always check that in your dictionary or in your phone. Okay, so this is your first activity. But wait, you might ask, Miss Maria, can we use the same adverb twice? No, you can't. There are 7 adverbs here and there are 7 verbs here. Therefore, one adverb is describing one verb. So you can only use the adverbs here once. Okay. So for your second activity, we will be doing this. Sorry, number 4. It says here, wait, let me the video. Okay, it says here, find an alternative adverb to replace each adverb ending in ly in the extract on page 59. Yes, you will be reading the extract. I sent that together with your activity, and you already actually have read the extract. We already read it before, but still I will be giving you a copy of the extract together with your activities. And for this activity, the activity 4 or your second activity, you will need to read or go through the extract again. But this time, your aim or your purpose before you read the extract is you need to find the adverbs in there, okay? The adverbs ending in ly, okay? You need to look for adverbs ending in ly. And what you will do with them is you are going to find an alternative adverb. You'll ask, what's an alternative adverb, Miss Maria? An alternative adverb is like another adverb having the same meaning, or the same it gives you the same meaning of the text that can replace that adverb, okay? This is the example down here. All right, this is the example down here. You will remember it's on the text, or it's on the extract. It says here, speaking slowly, and here slowly is the adverb, so we cross it out and we change the slowly to deliberately. Speaking deliberately and clearly, and here they change clearly to plainly, okay, as you would to a foreigner or some rather deaf. So on your notebook, what you need to do is so on your notepad, what you're going to do is, example, this is your notepad or your paper, okay? Just bring this out. So what you're going to do, you will read the extract. The extract looks like this. You read this, okay? So this is an example. Don't copy my example, okay? So you will check. Okay, go thoroughly, and then here you will see as close as possible to where he thought the bird's ear must be, and speaking slowly and clearly. Slowly and clearly, they're both adverbs. Now let's start with slowly. So here on your notepad, you write number 1 adverb, you write slowly. Of course, you write here activity 4 or activity 2, okay? So here you will write slowly, and then you use your dictionary, you use your phones, or you use your thesaurus to find what other word that can replace slowly, okay? And on this example here, it was replaced by the word deliberately. So on your notepad, you can example will be slowly, and you write deliberately. All right, so that's number 1. So number 2, again, you go to your extract, you go read to your extract, then you will read there. Where was that? Here, speaking slowly and clearly. Okay, number 2 adverb is we have clearly. So again, you will write in your notepad clearly, and again, use your dictionary or use your phone and check what other word or what other adverb can replace clearly that can be described, that can describe the verb speaking slowly and clearly. So what adverb can describe what adverb can describe speaking, and we already replace slowly with deliberately. We can think of clearly now. An adverb, you cannot just select any type of adverb. Of course, you have to check the verb. You cannot just simply say, oh, I'm going to replace clearly with tightly. So speaking tightly, does it make any sense? Do you think tightly best describe the verb speaking? No, of course not. So you have to think of an appropriate adverb to replace clearly, but also describes your verb speaking here, okay? So you have to think about it. And in here, the what do you call this? The example, clearly it was replaced by the with the adverb plainly. Okay, so on your notepad you will write plainly. Okay, so this is how, and then you're going to 3, 4, you look for it. Okay, so this is how your activity, the second activity, will look like. All right, so this is how it will look. Again, when you're going to the extract, don't just find the adverb, also find what you call this, what verb it describes, what verb or which verb does it describe, so that you will know what adverb or which adverb you will replace that current adverb on the extract. Okay, and there are a total of, don't copy this. Okay, find your own adverb to replace slowly and clearly. These are my examples, but please don't copy them. Okay, find your own. I don't want to say deliberately and plainly, across slowly and clearly. Okay, there are a total of 5 adverbs. I am already gonna tell you this so that you won't miss out anything, and it's not gonna be too much. There are a total of 5 adverbs. 2 are the same. 2 adverbs are the same. That's why it's 5. If you count it, it's 6, but since 2 of them is the same, so it's just 5. Okay, so total, again, there are 5 adverbs in the extract. There's 5 adverbs in the extract. And another warning, there is one word in this extract that it looks like an adverb, but it's not an adverb. Okay, careful with that word. Do not include that word in your list. Okay, that word may look like an adverb, but it's actually an adjective. Okay, so when you see that word, think, does it describe a noun or does it describe a verb? All right, so that you won't get confused if that word is an adverb or not. All right, again, there are only 5 adverbs that you can find in the extract over here. All right, and check your thesaurus, dictionary, or your phone which adverb can replace or can change the adverbs you will find on the extract. Okay, don't forget to check the verb it's describing as well. All right, so if there's any question, you can always message me or call me in WhatsApp group. And that's it for today. Okay, good luck for your activities.